At Andy's Air, we're family owned and operated. Been doing business in Pinellas County the old school way. No gimmicks, no games, no deals too good to be true. Just good old-fashioned AC service and new equipment. We have over 25 years experience in both commercial and residential equipment. We never sell you anything that you don't need. We fix air conditioners and we replace them when it's necessary. So if your air's down, call Andy's. We'll treat you right. We answer our phones 24 hours a day, and we accept all forms of credit card for payment. We're very punctual, and we'll treat you right. Deal directly with the owner and save. Call Andy's Air today. You'll be glad you did.